Welcome back. If you own or use a smartphone, computer, or desktop, and who doesn't? Listen up. More than 100 smartphones and tablets are lost or stolen every minute of the day. So how often should you back up your data? This morning, computer expert Burton Kelso is joining us with the best technology backup tips. Burton, as you know, tomorrow is World Backup Day. If you at home didn't know that. Statistics show not many people back up their data. Is that true?
That is true. Everyone we run into doesn't have a good backup of their stuff, whether it be a smartphone, computer, or tablet.
Why should we be backing up our devices?
Devices fail. I mean, they're man-made. There's always something that's bound to happen. If you've got a desktop computer, the hard drive could fail. If you have a smartphone, you can drop it in the toilet, step on it. Same thing with the tablet. You can just drop it, and then once you lose those devices, it's hard to get back that data.
Why are women more at risk?
That's a good question. It's a statistic, and it has to be said. But I think just because women carry more stuff, I mean, they've got purses, they've got handbags, and so I think they're more prone of misplacing their smartphone or having that smartphone fall out of their purse. So I think that's the main reason why. What
kind of problems can we run into, day-to-day problems, with our devices if we're not backing them up?
Well, you can run into an expensive data recovery bill if you don't back it up. I know that if you have to send it off to a professional to get your data retrieved, it can cost in the thousands. So, I mean, that's the main reason why you should back up your stuff, because it's expensive to retrieve if it can be retrieved at all.
All right. Now let's talk about Android and iOS systems and what is available for options out there for people to back stuff up. What do you think?
Well, if you got an Android device, you can definitely send it to Google Drive to back up your photos and documents. Microsoft phone users can send their stuff to SkyDrive, which is Microsoft's own cloud backup system, and iPhone and iPad users have it easier. Apple's got the iCloud system where it'll just automatically back up your apps and documents and photos.
These companies have found a new way to get us to pay more money. They offer a certain amount of free space, right? And then the more that you go up, the cash register starts to ring.
That's right. That's how iCloud works. It starts out with 5 gigabytes of data, and then after that, it's more money to get more data or get more data storage.
Should we really? I mean, we really need to do this then. So we're ending up having to pay more.
I'm assuming you don't back up your stuff.
I have not backed up my stuff, but I have got the message from my iPhone that says there's not enough space up there. You need to adjust your settings, which means you need to expand your service, which means pay more money.
Yeah, you got to pay more money. You got to back up your stuff, Nick, because if you lose it, you won't get it back.
All right, what about some old school ways to do it?
External hard drive is probably one of the easiest ways to do it. Apple users can use Time Machine, which is built into your Mac. You just hook up your external hard drive and it backs it up. Windows users, unfortunately, have to download a free program called SyncBack, which will copy the information from your desktop computer to an external hard drive. And we can't forget about cloud backup services such as Mozy and Carbonite. Carbonite is $60 a year for unlimited backup for both Windows and Mac. If you're looking for free options, you can easily use Google Drive to copy your information from your Mac or your Windows computer or even your smartphone and have it stored there. You get 15 gigabytes worth of data. You can also use Microsoft's SkyDrive service or OneDrive service, which is available for all devices. So you can be an Apple user using Microsoft stuff.
All right, that sounds good. Thanks for getting us moving again, so
to speak. Get your stuff backed up, Nick.
I will. I am on it. Thank you, Burton. Good to see you.
Good seeing you.
Busy. That's like